What if I told you that high above the bustling, vibrant city of Tehran, there is a place where you can breathe the freshest air, see panoramic views stretching for miles, and truly connect with the heart of Iran? Hello everyone, it's Nia from Persian Travelista, and today I'm taking you on an exciting journey to Bame Tehran, the city's incredible rooftop, located in the northern part of the city. I want to show you the real Iran and give you a glimpse of life here. Stick around because I'm also sharing 5 essential tips for visiting this fascinating city. Let's get started. As you can see, my friends and I are embarking on a walking tour to Bame Tehran. As we ascend the mountain, you'll immediately notice the crisp fresh air. It's an amazing feeling. Along the way, you'll encounter numerous mountaineers heading to the peak, and it's truly inspiring to watch them. From here, you can enjoy a breathtaking panoramic view of Tehran and fully immerse yourself in the scenery, perhaps while sipping on a cup of coffee or tea.
جدی چی بوده؟
Love what you sing? Subscribe now for more thrilling adventures and insider tips on exploring the hidden gems of Iran. The air is invigorating, the atmosphere is vibrant, and the mountain views surrounding us are simply stunning. As we continue our hike, we'll discover a variety of beautiful restaurants, cafes, playgrounds, and plenty of entertainment options. Let me tell you a bit more about Bame Tehran, a beloved tourist destination that offers breathtaking views and a wide array of recreational activities. Nestled in the embrace of the Alborz Mountains, it's a starting point for many mountain climbers who set up on their journey to reach Station 7, the peak of this majestic range. Bame Tehran is a haven for adventure enthusiasts, offering thrilling activities like sledding, ziplining, and bungee jumping. Whether you're seeking the adrenaline rush of flying through the air or the simple joy of gliding down the slope, there's something here for everyone. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of nature and the excitement of outdoor exploration, all while taking in the stunning panoramic vistas of Tehran below.
Down the river, where the moon shines bright, we were dancing, catching fireflies at night. Guitars were strumming, banjos were playing, fiddles were singing, hearts were swaying. Oh, the summer nights giggling and whispering hand in hand. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains. Sipping on sweet tea, barefoot in the sand, giggling, whispering hand in hand.
اگه تو دونده جام
The
ملت
rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains. All those summer nights in bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree. Southern rock and bluegrass by the sea. All those summer nights in bluegrass tunes, where love was blooming under the moon. We were young and wild, oh so carefree. Southern rock and bluegrass by the sea. Southern rock and bluegrass by the sea. Sipping on sweet tea, barefoot in the sand, giggling and whispering hand in hand. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains.
Now we are about to try the rail sledge, a thrilling ride that takes you high up the mountain, offering unbelievable views of both Tehran and the surrounding peaks. It's an experience worth $1,000,000. Now let's take in the breathtaking view of Tehran at night. As you can see, the city lights spread out below are absolutely captivating and worth experiencing. Anyway, after a day of adventure, it was time for dinner, and we were starving. We headed to a cozy Italian restaurant in the Saadabad district. We started with a refreshing mojito, which was absolutely delicious, followed by a giant salad topped with chicken and cheese, enough to fill up 5 people. Then came the delicious pizzas with the steak toppings, super yummy and satisfying. To end the night, we visited a park in Shahrak. known as a paradise for dogs, where we walked and played with some adorable pups.
نه ضربان فقط به سگ نسبت به انسان زیادتره چقدر
Now, as promised, here are 5 essential tips for visiting Tehran. 1. Explore local markets. Don't miss the bustling bazaars like the Grand Bazaar. It's a fantastic way to experience local culture, find unique souvenirs, and practice your bargaining skills. Number 2, try traditional Persian cuisine. Make sure to savor authentic Persian dishes like succulent kebabs, fragrant saffron rice, and hearty stews. The rich flavors are truly unforgettable. 3. Visit historical sites. Tehran is steeped in history, so be sure to visit iconic sites like the opulent Golestan Palace and the comprehensive National Museum of Iran for a deep dive into the past. 4. Use public transportation. Tehran's metro system is efficient, clean, and affordable, making it an excellent way to navigate the city quickly and avoid traffic congestion. And number 5. Learn basic Persian phrases. Knowing a few simple Persian phrases like greeting, salam, and thank you, mamnoon, can go a long way in connecting with locals and enhancing your travel experience. I hope you enjoyed this journey with me and found these tips helpful for planning your own trip to Tehran. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Persian Travelista for more exciting adventure and insight into Iran. Until next time, take care and happy travels!